Hello everyone, welcome to LearnPy. So today we'll be learning Python lines and then sentences. Okay, so that said, let's see. So in Python sentences, we have the equals or the equal to sign as an assigner. Okay, so let's say x equals 2. Okay, so x is not equal to 2. The variable x is assigned the value 2. Okay, so equal to assigns the value to a variable. Okay, so let's say this should be, let me comment. So this assigns the value 2 to x variable. Okay. Then let me go to, so we have expression. So let's try an expression. So x equals 2 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, so this is an assignment with an expression. Okay, so this is an assignment. Assignment with an expression. Okay, so this our assignment. Okay, and then this is our expression. Okay, so 2 plus 3 is going to be assigned to x. Okay, so x, the variable x, is a memory in our computer where this expression will be stored. Okay, so let's try this print. So using the print statement, or sorry, print function. Okay, so the print function prints out whatever is stored inside a variable, or whatever you would like to print out, okay, for your viewer to see. Okay, so let's say print x. Okay, so this is going to be a print function. So this is our print function, and then we have the operator. So the plus sign is the operator, x is our variable, and then this is our value. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so you can see we printed it out. So the expression here, okay, so 2 here is a value, and this value is assigned to x. That's our variable. And then x here, we are trying to do an expression. So x here, 2 plus 3 is going to be assigned the value to that's 5 in x, and then we are printing that value that is stored or assigned to x, which is 5, using the print function. Okay, so that's it for Python lines and sentences, and then the assignments and then expressions. So thank you. See you in our next tutorial.